Hey guys, what is up? PocketChangeXD here. How you guys doing? Hope you're doing really well and having a really great day. How the heck does he say that fast? Hey, thanks for clicking on my video. PocketChangeXD here, and we picked up a little package at the P.O. box. I'm trying to open it before Chump Change catches me. I'm not really good at this. This is the first unboxing I've done. Hopefully you guys don't tell on me.
What's going on, everybody? ChumpChangeXD here. Hope you're all staying healthy and having a great day. As you can see, we just got a package from the P.O. box that the wife picked up, and she's very impatient to open it, so I need to move all this stuff out of the way without stabbing myself in the foot with that knife she left on the edge of the table. Alright, so now, without further ado, she's gonna dive into this thing, guns blazing. Go for it. Why don't we just pull them out? We'll put them up on the table, and then we can open them up. Alright, as you can see, we got a few new GPUs. And she asked me what this was, and I just told her that that's mine, so it doesn't matter.
Sure. I might need a knife. This is terrible. I can't even do it.
Oh, jeez, here. What happened to the one that stabbed me in the foot?
I don't know. I probably moved
Oh,
it.
no. That's in the... It's in my pocket, but I just put it next to this one, because I already had one.
I have been waiting for this box.
She only wanted this GPU for the
I
box.
just want the box. You can take what's inside.
Doesn't even care about the GPU.
The box.
Solid deal.
I love white tigers.
Alright, so for those of you guys that don't know, I'm not even sure if we talked about this on a stream or not. I can't remember, but I purchased these off of Chili Mining. Great YouTuber. I'll put his channel right here on the screen so you guys can see. Go subscribe to him. She's fighting this box like nothing else. I'd show it, but oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
At least I didn't ruin it. I was trying to wreck the tiger.
Alright. Look at this. Look at this. Alright, so I'll pull the books out of the way. And then yeah. No, I can't even help you do. Oh, jeez. Take it easy. Alright, so look.
You gotta teach me how to do this.
No.
I don't want to wreck it.
Just pull it out.
Unpacking
Yeah.
steps.
Yeah,
See,
pull it out.
Women read the diagram. Just
Look.
saying.
Alright, we're gonna move this down there. Then we're gonna take this stuff, we're gonna push it all back so she has a little more room. Alright, go for it.
Women.
Now you gotta pull this whole thing out, I assume. I don't know if this part comes out. It does. Alright, so I'll just take this and I'll just throw it over here. Literally throw it.
You're like a pro at this.
No.
Oh,
This
see?
doesn't get ripped.
I'm doing it wrong.
See, I know this because I opened one wrong before and people yelled at me for it. So you're
Ooh,
supposed
I don't
to
want to get yelled
flip these tabs,
Okay.
flip the other one, and then you slip it out.
Slide it out.
Look at that.
Give it a little slide action.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Alright, I'll throw that over there too.
Oh wait.
Damn. That's the PocketFlip. Look at that. That thing's nice. This thing's huge. Hold on, we gotta get the... Take that.
Throw it.
Alright.
Throw it.
Look at this thing, huh? That's a nice looking card.
That is nice.
So this is a ASUS KO. Is that what they call it?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is.
RTX 3070. This thing's massive. This is a thick card. But you know what? Hopefully it does the trick. And the wife loves the box. So she gets the box, I get the GPU. Solid deal. Alright, let's open this one. I'm kidding. So there we have two GeForce RTX 3070 KO LHR GPUs that we got from Chili Mining. Again, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to purchase this. You made the wife very happy because she loves the white tiger, as you guys know. So now what we have to do is plug these things in over here on this computer. I think I'm just gonna pop out 2 of these for the Win 3s. I have 3080s here. It's a 3080 LHR and then a 3080 Ti. So I think I'm gonna pull out the 2 LHR versions and we will just swap them in place to see what they pull hash rate wise. So give me a second and you guys will see that done. All right, so I lied. Not done in a flash. The wife asked if she could plug them in. So of course, what we're gonna do now is have her disassemble this and plug those GPUs in. So I need her to get a screwdriver. You need to undo these screws right here. Then you're gonna unplug these right here and pull the risers off. She has no idea what I'm saying. No idea what I'm saying.
I do know what you're saying.
All right, we gotta find it. I don't know where I keep my tools either, so let's find out. Actually, you know what we can do with a drill?
Oh my god, you're giving me a drill?
No, I'll do the drill. You watch the drill. All right. Drill. All right, I had to show her how to unplug the first card, so I laid it right there. Now this one's on her. All right, so you know you're gonna kind of push it to the side. Yep, that you push down. Pull. Yep. Bingo. Just drop it. Now. Yep. It's not easy.
I didn't say it was easy.
Oh jeez.
I don't want to break it.
Oh Jesus.
Oh, I punched your other
Don't
one there.
punch the 3090. Jesus. All right. All right. Okay. Now.
Oh, I get a drill.
No, you don't get a drill. Go get the GPUs, please. Why did you do both at the same
I
time?
said get 2. I'm literal. I'm a woman.
All right, we'll put one. I'm just gonna stack. All right, now we're facing the same way. Plug the riser in first, so
Why do you do
hold
that?
that because it's easier.
Okay.
So
You have to pinch that little thing again, or just...
no, just
Okay.
push the front it. There you go. There you go. Okay, and it's already plugged in, so that's good. Now these cards only have 2 8-pins, so you guys know. So now you're just gonna, it doesn't matter which one you plug in where, just plug them in.
Right.
Hold on.
No, it does.
Flip. You gotta flip it around. See the clip?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
One eternity later.
All right, you want to do the honors and turn her on.
How the hell do I do that?
It's super complicated. You
You
just
have
push
way too many.
this button.
That's it? Oh wow,
Yeah.
okay. Sweet.
And there it is. Well, those cards are pretty too.
Those are really nice.
Damn, those are cool looking.
Did I make a good pick?
You did. You
Wow.
did. Why'd they shut off
I
on
don't
us,
know.
unlike the other ones? Well, that's concerning.
That one's
Nah, I'm kidding. They usually shut off, but it's just weird they shut off much sooner. All right, let's get into the system, and I'm gonna get these things up and running, and then we will make sure they're hashing and see what we can get them at. All right, so I just slapped some normal clocks on this. I just put negative 200 on the core, 70 on the power limit, 1250 on the memory, and 100 on the fan, just because. Now what we're gonna do is start up the actual miner. We're gonna use T-Rex, and let's go to Ethermine. Let's fire it up, see what happens. We're gonna give this a few seconds, and we're just gonna see what these things hash at. Obviously I'll be able to tweak them a little bit, but just for the sake of the video, I want to make sure these work. So you can see the 3090s at 119, the 3080s at 100, and the 23070s are at 33. So obviously they can be tweaked a little bit, and obviously they're LHR, which means they're basically nerfed right in half. That PCIe cable is dangerously close to that fan, so I'm going to fix that. But anyways, so you know what? At least these cards are up in mining. They may end up turning into just straight Raven machines. We will probably put them on that because it's going to be more profitable to mine Raven on these. Either that, or maybe I'll just turn them into Ergo. Who knows? We'll see. But either way, guys, we know we only bought these GPUs for the pretty colors and the boxes, because that's all that matters in the wife's brain. So I'll end up opening that box in tomorrow's video. But as always, guys, we appreciate you for watching. Please stay safe, and I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.